Hi, Algebra 2 students. We're starting section 3-2, Solving Systems of Inequalities by Graphing, and that is exactly what our learning target is, solving systems of inequalities by graphing. So we're going to be given two inequalities, a system of inequalities, and what we're going to do is look for the shades that overlap. So we're going to graph each one and find out where their shades intersect. So let's look at the first one. Y is greater than x minus 4. 2x minus 4. So I'm going to graph this like a regular line. We're going to start at -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my slope is telling me to go up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, and so on. And this is a dotted line. So I'm going to make this dotted or dashed. Okay. And the next one, and then I'll shade 0, 0 here. So I'm going to pick 0, 0 right here. So is 0 greater than a -4? Yes. So I need to shade over 0, 0 because it is a solution. So I'm going to use my highlighter here to shade. So I know that's the area to shade. And my other graph, I'm going to go up 3 right here. And my slope is telling me to go down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the left 2, and so on. And this is a solid line. I guess I should have used my dotted line here. I guess I could have used that. Way better line there. And this is my solid line. And here I'm going to choose 0, 0. So is 0 less than or equal to 0 plus 3? So that's 3. And that is yes. So I'm going to highlight that portion. So now you see where they overlap? Right in this section here. So this is where my solution is. So that's how I'm going to do these problems. And you can always check by picking a solution in your shaded region and checking to make sure it works for both. So let's try another one. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can get your graph set up. Alright, I have my first graph done. Now I'm going to look at my second one. Do it red here. So -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my slope is telling me to go down 1 to the right 4. Or go up 1 to the left 4. 1, 2, 3. And this is a dotted line. And if I pick 0, 0, because that's the easiest point to pick, is 0 greater than a -6? Because when I plug in 0 here, it cancels out. So it is a true solution. It is a solution, and it is true, so I'm going to shade there. So notice my shades overlap right in between here. So that's how you do it. And so there will be an instance where we get no solutions, and that's what this looks like. No overlapping at all. So that might be something that you see. That's all I have for you today. In class, I'm going to, or Mr. Carr is going to teach you vertices of a triangle. So using these but with the vertices. And that's example 4 on page 148. So we still need to go over that in class. All right? Have a great day. We'll see y'all later.